like what I wanted to tell you guys, as a professional trader, you have to have a risk management plan. First of all, you have to get your plan, like your trading plan. First, before taking a trade, consider asking yourself, why am I taking this trade? Why? What have I based on? So make sure in technical analysis, what you have to consider price, momentum, volume, and time. Once you master all that, for example, if you are in a 15 minutes chart, it will be communicating different things. You go to 1 hour, it is communicating. You go to 4 hour time frame, different setups. So what do you consider when you're taking a trade? Consider all those time frames. Make sure when you're taking a trade, the 15 minutes time frame, the 1 hour and 4 hour, they are all communicating the same thing. Once they are communicating the same thing, then go for the indicators. There are a couple of indicators in trading view. I recommend use trading view. Once you are in trading view, you search for indicators. I will in a link below my YouTube channel, you're going to find some videos about indicators, what you can use and what you don't have to use in order to enter a trade. So once you get a plan of trading, make sure you put your ego aside and focus on learning. There are 3 types of traders. We have scalp traders, we have swing traders, we have intraday traders. People who trade intraday traders are these ones which trade in a day. They open positions at the end of the day or in a few hours. Then scalp traders, like they can be using 15 minutes time frame. Every 15 minutes or 5 minutes, they're out of the trade. They take another one. It's the most risky one. Most risky trading type is the scalp trading. Then when you go for the swing trading, you hold that trade for a couple of 1 week or 2 weeks, depending on what you want. But also you have to consider the technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Once you have put all that in analysis and is in line with what you are doing, then you are good to go and take that trade. I think you need to join when you go in Google, search sepy.com. It will take you directly to the resource center, which is the blog where you get information about cryptocurrency, what you want to know and what you need to know in real time. And consider, if you have Telegram, use Telegram. You can go to my Telegram channel. It's there where I post resource materials for your own importance. So like in trading, what I want to tell you that is one thing: when you learn how to lose correctly, you are ready to win big. You learn to lose correctly. Make sure when you lose a trade, it is in your line of plan and you have lost correctly. But don't lose. You enter a trade, then you lose money. No, it doesn't work like that. So consider, if you want to, for newbies who are new to cryptocurrency, we have resource materials which can help you get started. So don't hesitate to DM one of us. We shall help you.